Racing just is started with Tabella. Break quickly at the start, moving upon the outside. Perfectionist in the middle portion. Flo Joyner down on the inside is Sweet Victory. Gabby's Choice Golden Arasi comes next. Expedition. While Class X is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Flo Joyner by about 3 lengths. Sweet Victory in second. A length and a half further back in third comes Perfectionist. Running by the rail port comes Tabel. Moving upon the outside is Golden Arasi. Gabby's Choice comes next. Class X second last. Well, Expedition now racing in last. Back to the leader. We have Flo Joyner maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Sweet Victory in second. Tabel. Gabby's Choice in the middle portion. Perfectionist. Then comes Golden Arasi. Class X, while Expedition is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Flo Joyner. Sweet Victory finds some opening. Down on the inside is Gabby's Choice, and on the outside Perfectionist as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Gabby's Choice by a length. Flo Joyner, Sweet Victory. Last 100 meters, we have Gabby's Choice followed by Flo Joyner on the outside. Gabby's Choice, and finally it's Gabby's Choice. Flo Joyner, Sweet Victory, Perfectionist, Expedition, Class Act, Tabel, and Golden Arasi.